Hi everyone. So today I want to talk to you about how to go about fixing plastic Hario V60 pour over brewers. So I've had experience with two different kinds of plastic Hario brewers, both of them kind of essentially the clear ones. A couple of things that I noticed that happened with these. One is the base breaks, and I'll show you how, sort of the workaround for that. The other thing is I've had another one where the actual side cracked. So while you're making coffee, the brewer starts leaking, so you get a bit of a mess as you're making your coffee. For those cracks, the easiest solution is basically taking a soldering iron, the kind you use for soldering electrical components. What I usually do is I cover the tip with aluminum foil. That way I don't ruin the tip of my soldering iron. And basically you get it hot and almost like a paintbrush, you go over the area where it's cracked. And I do that from the outside, not from the inside. And that seems to work well. Now, these also have a base, and this one actually broke off. And I tried doing that with a soldering iron, and it really didn't last very long. It ended up breaking off. So instead of going and buying another one off of, your favorite online shopping site, again, as a person who doesn't like to buy something for the sake of buying it and throwing this in the garbage, I wanted a really quick workaround. So here it is. I'm going to show you. It's basically the cap or the top to a plastic container. I mean, these are things you probably get when you buy some pre-made food at the grocery store or anything that looks like this. I use the Sharpie to color the outer edges just so I can see it against the white backdrop. But in any case, really simple. Just cut it out. Fits over a cup, and this essentially sits perfectly fine, as you can see on the counter. And I've been brewing this way for a good while. I haven't had any problems. It doesn't spill over. It doesn't tip over. Again, you want to make that hole big enough so that it basically allows the handle to rest against that. And yeah, so essentially you can continue using this even without the bottom base being broken off. Fortunately, this one doesn't have any cracks, so I don't have to worry about that. And we'll continue using it until it has another crack or until I'm tired of this one and want to get a different one. Anyways, I hope you found this helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Thanks a lot. Good luck.